Hello everyone, welcome back to day 4 of the Christmas cleaning edition. We are working on our floorboards and on our doors. So like I mentioned, you pick the task that matches your energy, and today I have the energy for cleaning the doors. I'm just going to quickly check if my toddler's asleep and I'm going to work on the doors. Most of the time, I don't even remember the last time I cleaned my door, but it was recent when everyone was sick and you know toddlers touch everything. So I had to clean the doors, including the handles, and just to ensure all the little germs were, got rid of because nursery germs are quite lethal. So I just cleaning all the doors, and also I noticed on the edge of our door there's quite a bit of dust. Yeah, so I'm gonna quickly tackle that. I was quite surprised because I never actually thought about cleaning on the side of the door, so this is a good chance to see all the dirt that has been lingering over there, and we get rid of it. So this is going to be a chance for me to tackle all the tasks that I can do. Like I mentioned, you pick a task that matches your energy. No point you saying you're going to tackle the oven when you've just come from a 12-hour shift and it's not going to work. So also use tools that work best for you. Here I'm going to be steaming the door. Sometimes the steam cleaner is what you've got the energy for. If you don't have the energy to scrub the door, if you've got a steam cleaner, just grab it and then you just remove all the buildup. Again, I had not even looked at how bad this door was. Sometimes I think we just look at surface level and we just miss on the doors. So steam cleaner, and also the front door, this has not been done either. I think most of the time we forget the front door because you're just walking through and you're getting inside, and we focus on the dirt inside the home. So this also needed a little quick clean. I also did not even think about cleaning the front door until I thought about, oh, I've got some decorations to put by the front door, so we need to get that sorted and cleaned. Now on to the least favorite part, floorboards. I find this method to be the fastest way that I can get the task done. Just soapy water, my microfiber cloth, and I just wipe the floorboard. And I'm amazed at how much dust gets collected on the floorboards using the microfiber cloth. I understand not everyone can do this method, so you can always try using your steamer. So just blow away all the dust and then you wipe away with your microfiber cloth. But if you can't do that either, you can also just use a bucket and a mop. So this is my bucket and a mop, and I like using this method when I really don't have enough time. I just grab it and I just wipe the floorboards. This is also a great way to ensure that they are all clean. But if you feel like they need a deeper clean, so you just grab your pink stuff and your cloth and you just scrub away. That's another method that can work if your floorboards really need a deep clean. You can look on the top right hand corner over here for a full video of me explaining the different methods I use to clean my floorboards, and they work for me. So like I mentioned, this is day 3. You pick the task and you just do what you can with the energy that you have. There's no judgment over here. We're just all trying to get the tasks done and ready for Christmas. So today's treat, unfortunately, is not even a treat. I am actually very poorly, and these are my ginger shots that I froze, and I'm just going to pop them down and pour some hot water over it. So it's not even a treat at all. This is just to help soothe my sore throat and to boost up my immune system to continue with the videos. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and it was helpful and motivating, and you guys are able to create your own lists and do the things that you need to get done to get ready for the big day if you are hosting family over. You enjoy today's treat and you enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you on the next day. So that's 3 tasks done. I'll see you soon. Bye.